Today, we're tackling two words that often get mixed up, then and than. They sound similar, they're short, and they're both super common in English. But trust me, they are used in completely different ways. Let's break it down. Then refers to a point in time or a sequence of events. You use it to talk about what happens next, or at that time, or afterward. So this word is all about time or sequence. Here's an example. I finished my homework and then I went outside to play. Here then tells you the order of events. It means something happens after something else. Another example. Back then, people used typewriters instead of computers. Here then tells you about a point of time in the past. On the other hand, then is used for comparisons. Whenever you're comparing two things, you'll use than. For example, she is taller than her brother. Here, than is comparing height. It's not about time or sequence, it's showing a difference between two things. Or, this book is more interesting than the movie. Here, then, is used to make a comparison between the book and the movie. In short, then is about time or sequence, while than is used for comparisons. Now, to evaluate your understanding of these terms, take the quiz and leave a comment with your score at the end of the video.